two small journals today. We have one made out of a paper bag and one just a small journal. So let's take a look at the paper bag journal. This one has a tie closure and it opens this way and this way. And then inside, these are just some cool papers for a pad. There's a pocket over here with a couple of small tags in it, and then a pocket over here with an envelope that opens like this and gives you plenty of room to write those notes, those things that you wanted to remember. Somebody says something and you think, oh, I don't want to forget that. Great place to just keep that info. So that tucks right into there. And then this just says Grand Christmas Exposition, now open. And then it has the cool picture on the front. And this comes round and this comes round. And then, oops, lost it. It wraps. I am all thumbs today, trying to make a bow. There we go. I really can't make a bow today. I'll do that later because I can't make a bow today. So this one is really cool. I found a little reindeer charm. Has a little bow on the front of it and then Christmas trees. And this one just closes with a very cool little, I forget what they call these, binder clip, just a binder clip. This one also has some book corners and it measures 4.5 by 6. And you open it up, but there's a little snowman and the tree. And this is just a little one. There's just little things tucked in. A couple little folded pieces of paper. A Christmas card with a neat Christmas stamp on it. Piece here, some wrapping paper. It says, oops, I missed a page. Some poinsettias. Home for the holidays. I did not cut this. I thought about it, but I chose not to because I thought if you want to put another charm on there, if you have something that you want to put on there, you can go ahead and put that on there. If you don't, you just cut them off. Just cut them off and get rid of them. More poinsettias. Coming back out, we have a little Christmas ornament tucked in there. A gift tag with a journaling card, but you can also use the gift tag for your own journaling. Just put a little something in there that you want to remember. Great place for Christmas memories. A little bit of vellum with some snowflakes on it. Another ornament. That's an antique. Vintage. I guess we don't call them an antique. We call them a vintage. And then the same card that's on here, I had a bunch of these cards, and so I just cut it off and put it in. And then a little piece in the back. This was a lot of fun to make, but it's very small. It was just, the cover is fabric. It is a sewn-in signature, and it closes very nicely with the binder clip. All right, so that is these two pieces today, and I am going to show you that I really do know how to tie a bow. Honest and for true, I really can tie a bow. Haha, see there. Not a great bow, but it's a bow. And it's upside down. Okay, I tied it upside down. If you are enjoying these videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are interested in purchasing either of these, they will be in the description box down below. And in the meantime, this is Cindy signing off.